以西結書第27章。
Ezekiel chapter 27.
耶和華的話又臨到我說：
The word of the Lord came again to me, saying,
人子啊，要為泰爾作起哀歌，
Now, son of man, take up a lamentation for Tyre.
說你居住海口，是眾民的商埠，你的交易通到許多的海島。主耶和華如此說：泰爾啊，你曾說我是全然美麗的，
And say to Tyre, you who are situated at the entrance of the sea, merchant of the peoples on many coastlands, thus says the Lord God, O Tyre, you have said, I am perfect in beauty.
你的境界在海中，做你的使你全然美麗。
Your borders are in the midst of the seas. Your builders have perfected your beauty.
他們用士尼爾的松樹做你的一切板，用黎巴嫩的香柏樹做桅杆。
They made all your planks of fir trees from Sinner. They took a cedar from Lebanon to make you a mast.
用巴山的橡樹做你的槳，用象牙鑲嵌基提海島的黃楊木為座板。
Of oaks from Bashan they made your oars. The company of Asherites have inlaid your planks. With ivory from the coasts of Cyprus.
你的縫帆是用埃及繡花細麻布做的，可以做你的大旗。你的涼棚是用以利沙島的藍色、紫色布做的。
Fine embroidered linen from Egypt was what you spread for your sail. Blue and purple from the coasts of Elisha was what covered you.
西頓和亞法的居民作你黨長的，泰爾啊，你中間的智慧人作掌舵的。
Inhabitants of Sidon and Arvad were your oarsmen. Your wise men, O Tyre, were in you. They became your pilots.
加巴勒的老者和聰明人都在你中間作保縫的，一切泛海的船隻和水手都在你中間經營交易的事。
Elders of Gebal and its wise men were in you to caulk your seams. All the ships of the sea and their oarsmen were in you to market your merchandise.
波斯人、努德人、弗人在你軍營中作戰士，他們在你中間懸掛盾牌和頭盔，彰顯你的尊榮。
Those from Persia, Lydia, and Libya were in your army as men of war. They hung shield and helmet in you. They gave splendor to you.
亞法人和你的軍隊都在你四圍嘅牆上，你嘅望樓也有勇士，他們懸掛盾牌，成全你的美麗。
Men of Arvad with your army were on your walls all around, and the men of Gamad were in your towers. They hung their shields on your walls all around. They made your beauty perfect.
他施人因你多有各類的財物，就作你的客商，拿銀、鐵、石、鉛兌換你的貨物。
Tarshish was your merchant because of your many luxury goods. They gave you silver, iron, tin, and lead for your goods.
雅原人、土巴人、米設人都與你交易，他們用人口和銅器兌換你的貨物。
Javan, Tubal, and Meshach were your traders. They bartered human lives and vessels of bronze for your merchandise.
陀迦馬族用馬和戰車並驢子兌換你的貨物。
Those from the house of Togarma traded for your wares with horses, steeds, and mules.
底但人與你交易，許多海島作你的碼頭，他們拿象牙、烏木與你兌換。
The men of Dedan were your traders. Many isles were the market of your hand. They brought you ivory tusks and ebony as payment.
亞蘭人因你的工作很多，就作你的客商，他們用綠寶石、紫色布繡貨、細麻布、珊瑚、紅寶石兌換你的貨物。
Syria was your merchant because of the abundance of goods you made. They gave you for your wares emeralds, purple, embroidery, fine linen, corals, and rubies.
猶大和以色列地的人都與你交易，他們用米粒的麥子、餅、蜜、油與香兌換你的貨物。
Judah and the land of Israel were your traders. They traded for your merchandise wheat of millet, honey, oil, and balm.
大馬士革人因你的工作很多，又因你多有各類的財物，就拿黑木酒和白羊毛與你交易。
Damascus was your merchant because of the abundance of goods you made, because of your many luxury items, with the wine of Helbon and with white wool.
威但人和雅原人拿紡繩的線、 亮鐵、桂皮、菖蒲兌換你的貨物。
Dan and Javan paid for your wares, traversing back and forth. Wrought iron, cassia, and cane were among your merchandise.
底但人用高貴的毯子、案、梯與你交易。
Dedam was your merchant in saddlecloths for riding.
阿拉伯人和基達的一切首領都作你的客商，用羊羔、公綿羊、公山羊與你交易。
Arabia and all the princes of Kedar were your regular merchants. They traded with you in lambs, rams, and goats.
示巴和拉馬的商人與你交易，他們用各類上好的香料、各類的寶石和黃金兌換你的貨物。
The merchants of Sheba and Raamah were your merchants. They traded for your wares with the choicest spices, all kinds of precious stones and gold.
哈蘭人、干尼人、伊甸人、示巴的商人和亞述人、基抹人與你交易。
Haran, Cana, Eden, the merchants of Sheba, Assyria, and Kilmad were your merchants.
這些商人以美好的貨物包在繡花藍色包袱內，又有華麗的衣服裝在香柏木的箱子裏，用繩捆着與你交易。
These were your merchants in choice items, in purple clothes, in embroidered garments, in chests of multicolored apparel, in sturdy woven cords, which were in your marketplace.
他施的船隻接連城邦為你運貨，你便在海中豐富極其榮華。
The ships of Tarshish were carriers of your merchandise. You were filled and very glorious in the midst of the seas.
蕩槳的已經把你蕩到大水之處，東風在海中將你打破。
Your oarsmen brought you into many waters, but the east wind broke you in the midst of the seas.
你的資財、物件、貨物、水手、掌舵的、補縫的、經營交易的，並你中間的戰士和人民，在你破壞的日子必都沉在海中。
Your riches, wares, and merchandise, your mariners and pilots, your caulkers and merchandisers, all your men of war who are in you, and the entire company which is in your midst, will fall into the midst of the seas on the day of your ruin.
你掌舵的呼號之聲一發，郊野都必震動。
The common land will shake at the sound of the cry of your pilots.
凡蕩槳的和水手，並一切泛海掌舵的，都必下船登岸。
All who handle the oar, the mariners, all the pilots of the sea, will come down from their ships and stand on the shore.
他們必為你放聲痛哭，把塵土撒在頭上，在灰中打滾。
They will make their voice heard because of you. They will cry bitterly and cast dust on their hats. They will roll about in ashes.
又為你使頭上光禿，用麻布束腰，號啕痛哭，苦苦悲哀。
They will shave themselves completely bald because of you, gird themselves with sackcloth, and weep for you with bitterness of heart and bitter wailing.
他們哀號的時候，為你作起哀歌哀哭，說：有何城如泰爾？有何城如他在海中成為寂寞的呢？
In their wailing for you, they will take up a lamentation and lament for you. What city is like Tyre, destroyed in the midst of the sea?
你由海上運出貨物，就使許多國民充足；你以許多資財貨物，使地上的君王豐富。
When your wares went out by sea, you satisfied many people. You enriched the kings of the earth with your many luxury goods and your merchandise.
你在深水中被海浪打破的時候，你的貨物和你中間的一切人民就都沉下去了。
But you are broken by the seas in the depths of the waters. Your merchandise and the entire company will fall in your midst.
海島的居民為你驚奇，他們的君王都甚恐慌，面帶愁容。
All the inhabitants of the isles will be astonished at you. Their kings will be greatly afraid, and their countenance will be troubled.
各國民中的客商都向你發嘶聲，你令人驚恐，不再存留於世，直到永遠。
The merchants among the peoples will hiss at you. You will become a horror and be no more forever.